In 1.28, we've got a situation where the owner of an entity called Superior Appliances has a sister, and the sister has bought a computer 3 years ago for $3,000, and today she's actually given that computer, which with a current market value of $1,800, to the business. So the question we've been asked is, does Superior Appliances have an asset? So to answer that question, we're going to have to go through the definition. The first part of an asset is it must be a resource controlled by the entity. So in this case, we're going to say no, that's not true. The business doesn't control this resource, the sister does. Even though it's been lent to the business, it doesn't belong to the business, and it's the sister who can actually control what's done with the computer at any time. She can sell it, upgrade it, do whatever she wants to it, whereas the business can't make those decisions because it doesn't have any control. Secondly, there must be a result of a past event or transaction. Again, just lending someone something, in this case a computer, doesn't make a transaction. So in this case, we're going to have to say that is not true as well. If maybe the business had to pay the sister some money, then you've got a legal transaction, but at this point there is no transaction. And lastly, there must be future economic benefits which will be expected to flow to the entity. In this case, that's actually true. The business will be able to use the computer to benefit its daily operations, so that criteria is true. However, overall, we're going to say that this business does not have an asset because only one of the 3 criteria is correct. So in answering that, we're going to define and relate at the same time. So I'm going to define that an asset is a resource controlled by the entity. The business doesn't control this resource. It has been borrowed from the sister, who can ask for it back at any time. The asset must be the result of a past event. In this case, there was no past event. The business didn't buy the computer it was given. And lastly, an asset must have future economic benefits that are expected to flow to the entity, and that was the one that was actually true. Although the computer will provide the economic benefits the business can use in its daily operations. Overall, to answer the question though, no, the business does not have an asset.